Hi, and welcome to Quark's video series. So this time we're going to do a little robot. One of my nephews was asking about being a robot on Halloween, and he's been turning down like over 100 different costumes online. So I built a little prototype, and I'm going to rebuild it here in Blender, and kind of guide you through how to build it in real life at the same time. So yeah, let's get started. Let's delete the tube, and we're going to do Shift A. We're going to do a plane. Oh, let's change units because we're building everything in imperial inches. Right. All right. There we are. There. And this is N. Oh, let's actually turn on screencast is there. Okay, cool. Yeah. All right. So we're gonna get a piece of cardboard that is 24 by what's it called? No, 20. Yeah, 24 by 16. All right. Let's make this 20 actually, and we're gonna make everything divisible by 4. So 5 divided y divided by 4 is 5, and x divided by 4 is 24. But we want to actually make it a little bigger, so if we do just 4 inches, the size of the head of the robot won't be that big. So with this, we can do 5. Yeah, we can do 5. We can do 3, 4, 18. So let's do 18. Okay. So we can do this. So it splits into 3 and splits into 4. All right. So Control R. Right, go to edit mode first. Let's verify this is actually the right size. Oh, that would be 60. Okay. This would be 24. So Control R. Right. Actually, gotta check this is right. About 6. Okay, cool. Yeah, that. Okay. So now that we have our 6 by 6, that's great. Um, so what we would do is we would cut out these pieces right here and then fold it into this. And normally, like I can show you. So let's delete this. That. All right, cool. So we cut out those parts. Um, for cardboard, I would recommend like making some incisions here or like indents so that when you fold it, it's a little easier for you. Um, and then we would just put these all together. Um, let's delete these, and I'll show you what I mean. All right, cool. So let's get all these, then E, C. Oh, okay. E, C. No, I just want the first. So E, C, 6. Cool. That is our robot head. And what I use to like uh, put it all together, I use what's it called a glue gun. So I would fill the gaps in here and then put them together. You have to hold it, but be careful because it's actually pretty hot. So yeah. So the sides here would get glued. These 4 because we're connecting all that. All right, and that's our head. But we're gonna do it backwards. So E C negative 6 like that. Go up and then GC6 up. Okay, so there would be our little robot head. Let's do a quick the eye. So I just got some piece of paper and and cut out like a little eye thing. So let's do that. Um, which just means like, hey, get a piece of paper, draw on it, and like cut it out with scissors. But with Blender, we're gonna actually build something. So Shift A, circle. Nope. Shift A. Actually, yeah, circle. That was dumb. All right. GC. Go up. Then tab. F. Then go R. F. 90. Do 1. Right. Make the eyes pretty small. GC. For this, what's it called? I actually used what's it called? The same glue gun. I just added a little dab of it. Okay, this will look better. And then let's mirror this. Cool. Shift E S like that. Then I use some Crayola papers. I mean Crayola pencils and made some like little blue eyes. Oh, that's right, I forgot. So my nephew wanted these eyes to be let's that material associated there. Right. New material and this one. Right. There we are. And he wanted this, all of this. Next. Alright. We got the eyes. Let's make the little mouth. So Shift A. We're going to do a small plane. One plane. R X. Right. You can also use a little bit of like tinfoil for this and just cut it out. So S, then SY, SX, and we have something like that. We'll do like a metallic gray. Let's add some roughness. All right, cool. Now we get the little head. So like in the little robot that he wanted or that I saw, he had like this little pointy antenna in his head. So let's actually make that. And what I used was toilet paper rolls. If you want like a bigger one in circumference, or yeah, you have to cut one in half, then use a hot glue on the insides of them and put them together, and that's how you get a bigger one. But yeah, let me show you. Okay, so we're gonna do a cylinder. And we want to make sure, oh, no, delete this, Shift A, cylinder, right? Make sure that there's no no, nothing. Okay, cool, empty. All right, and we're gonna do N. So normally, a toilet paper roll is like 1.5 inches in diameter. So we're gonna do that. See, how about this? And then maybe like 3 inches, like actually big. Right, and this would be a little antenna. If you want to make this bigger, we'd have to cut it in half and then put it together. So I cut it in the middle here, then put it and glued it with with another one of these cut in half. So we would have a 3 by 3. right, cool. And then for the little ball, because I didn't really have too many materials, I just used like a piece of cardboard and cut a circle in it, and then like put it right on top. Uh, so it would be like something like this, and then shift. No, not like that. It would literally be, yeah, just a piece of cardboard again. So RX90 and GC, and then like glue this so it look like it's right there. All right. So like it's the little antenna thing. All right. Actually, no. For this, instead of using this cardboard thing, delete this, right? Then Shift D, make this smaller, make this smaller too. Then Tab, Edit Mode, press 1, right, and then G0, G1, 0, G1, 0, GX, 0. I feel like I'm forgetting something. But anyway, so GC, and we put it like this. And I cut out a little piece right here, and then glued it. So it's a long part of cardboard that goes up and then does a little circle, and then I put some paper right in the middle here to make it look like really nice. Well, to give it that antenna feel. But yeah, right. Let's go with a red. Oh, tab F. And we'll leave this as we want that gray. Cool. All right. So now we've essentially done our head. Like for the sides, like we want them to have little ears. So we can either do something like this, where we take a big piece of cardboard, cut like a circle and a little like square, and then just like cut into the head and glue this. That way it stays up there. Or we can like literally just cut a circle with a little square. Okay, same thing. Or okay, actually, let's do let's so what we're gonna do is we're gonna use that toilet paper roll, but again, you don't have to do this. I don't think I added ears to my nephew's little robot, to my robot. No, I like it. All right, sorry for language. All right, so Shift A, we're gonna do that cylinder thing again, right? Nothing in there. Let's make it smaller. So we can do 1.5 normal size and 1.5 normal size, and then we're gonna cut it in half. So instead of being 3 inches, it's gonna be 1.5 inches. All right, and then this R Y 90 and G X. Right, and then we can just hot glue it right here. We can either put it like this, or we can put it like this, and then like take out another piece of paper and like put a circle here to cover this with hot glue. So yeah, hot glue this. We're gonna make the red. Then let's mirror this. All right, and there we have it, our little robot head. You can make this all of cardboard, like I said, and well, explained it as best I could. I would make another video, like an actual demonstration with cardboard, but I don't have enough. Maybe another time. But yeah, hope this helps. And next time we're gonna go over the body and arms and legs. But we're gonna flesh this out so that if you want to build this for your kid or your nephew, you can. All right, thanks for listening. Until next time.